Ever wondered how TAGBeat actually works? Today, we're breaking down large language models in plain English, no coding required. By the end, you'll understand the technology that's changing the world. A large language model, or LMS, an AI trained on billions of text examples from the internet. It learns patterns in language and predicts the next word based on what came before. Think of it like the ultimate autocomplete. The large part means it has billions of parameters. Tiny adjustments that help it understand context and meaning. LMs train by reading tons of text and playing a guessing game. Given some words, predict the next one. Over millions of repetitions, it gets better and better. It learns grammar, facts, writing styles, and even reasoning patterns, all without being explicitly programmed. It's like learning a language by reading thousands of books. The transformer architecture, the tech behind modern LMs, lets the model focus on important words while ignoring irrelevant ones. This attention mechanism helps it understand context perfectly. Combined with scale, massive data, and computing power, LMs can handle complex questions, write essays, code, and Gemini use all technology to assist humans daily. They power customer service bots, help doctors analyze reports, and assist writers brainstorm ideas. Limitations exist, they can hallucinate facts and biases, but they're improving rapidly. The future? Smarter, safer, and repeatedly? The future? Smarter, safer, more specialized, ethicist. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Drop a comment. What a topic confuses you most?